everybody and welcome back. I am very excited today to share with you a new collaboration project that I'm doing with Nathalie from LineDotArrow. Before I begin showing you the papers, I do want to apologise. I still have a very croaky sore throat. I am going to do my best to get through this video. I also have another one for the challenge that's going to be going on as well for the first week. So the next couple of videos I'm probably going to sound a little bit croaky. But as I say, I will do my best, so I do apologise. As I said, it's a very exciting video. I'm doing another collaboration with the wonderful Nathalie from LineDotArrow. Now, normally when we've done our collaborations, we release our kit at the beginning of each month. We are releasing this one a little bit earlier because obviously we are now in the run-up to Christmas. So we wanted to get our papers out there so you've got plenty of time to play around with the papers before we all start getting into the crazy chaos that is the Christmas week. So let me show you what we have prepared. Now, I must say, Nathalie and I got very carried away creating our kits. It's called Cosy Christmas. We started putting together the pages and we found that we just could not stop. So we have decided to split it up. So rather than have one huge kit, we have split it into two. So I have two kits in my shop. Nathalie will also have two kits in her shop. One kit is kind of our standard size that we usually do. So mine's 19 pages. I think Nathalie's is 20. So that's our main kit. And then we've got a smaller kit that's 14 pages. So it's our add-on, but it's not just lots of ephemera and things that you could use alongside the main kit. It is a kit on its own. It's just smaller to perhaps suit your budget. Obviously, with the run up to Christmas, not everybody is able to spend lots of money on digital. So with the smaller kit, if that suits your budget, then you still get to play around with lots of beautiful papers, but just at a more affordable price. As always, these will also be on discount. So the main kit will have 20% off. The add-on kit will have 20% off. But we've also, because it's Christmas, put together a bundle. So you can buy both of the kits as a bundle, and they are a separate listing. So make sure that when you go to the Etsy stores, and they will be linked down below, that if you are interested in buying both, then you are clicking on the bundle, because when you click on the bundle listing, you get 50% off. So there's more of an incentive to buy both of them. Obviously, if you add them singly to your baskets, then you're only going to get 20% off each kit. So make sure that you buy the bundle if you are interested in buying both. Right, let's show you the papers. So I'm just going to get rid of these bits for now. So this is the main kit. As I said, mine is 19 pages. I'm sure Nathalie's is 20. But this is the main collaboration kit. It is a Christmassy theme. We went with the title Cosy Christmas because it's nice, sort of cosy colours. There's lots of even sort of butterflies and botanical elements to it as well. So this is my first collage page. And then I have a journaling page with some decoration. And I hope you can see that on the camera. There's just a sort of faded images of kind of trees and things in the background. And the second journaling page, again, we've got a faded music sheet in the background. Then we've got some with kind of a red snowflake pattern around the edges. But again, lots of room for writing in the middle. Another journaling page with different letters to Santa and a little postcard at the top. Then we've got a background page with little Santas, little North Pole stamp and a wreath. And another journaling page. I love this, love the little snowman stamp, very cute. And one in a similar style, but this time with the green ribbon. And another background page. And this journaling page, I really love this actually. It's probably one of my favourites. So it's got the same snowflake pattern that we saw earlier, but this time in a green to kind of match the greens that we've got going on over on this side. Then we've got the kind of reverse of that. So this time I've used reds. And that lovely image of Santa kind of peeking through the window. And then we come to our ephemera pages. So the first page we have is of different tags. So you can see these lovely vintage images, and then some with some background decoration. So you've got that page. You've then got these larger tags. These are huge, these are. And these are great for the first challenge actually, which you'll see in the next video. Then we have a few different bits of ephemera. So we've got a couple of tags that look like they've been layered. But you've also got the bingo card and then this holly jolly bit of ribbon down the bottom. You've then got your different pockets. So again, some of the similar images that you would have seen in the kit. I then have this envelope, which again has different elements that you'd have seen throughout the kit. And then we have a page of numbers. So I thought these would be great on the pages, especially if you decide to make a kind of December daily journal, then you can have these on each of the pages. And I've done it right up to the 25th. And then we've got this image of Santa and the reindeer. I've then got two butterflies which have some of the images inside. The same with Christmas trees, with some of the images that we've seen already inside, and then a couple of kind of washi tape type strips down the bottom. And then the final page is just a smaller version of the last two pages. So we've got those butterflies and trees shrunken down, and then you've got a smaller version of the numbers and the Santa. So that is the main kit. Okay, so this is the Cosy Christmas add-on kit. This one is 14 pages, so still a really good sized kit. As I said, it's not just ephemera that you can use with the main kit. It has got some journal pages and backing pages too. So let me just take you on a little tour of this one. So the first collage page, so we've got lots of little different Christmassy stamps and some Christmassy music sheets and postcards and things in the background. You've got this one with a big snowflake up the middle, and again that's a Christmas postcard and some Christmas music sheet. You've got this journaling page with the vintage Christmas tree and then some different areas for journaling. Then got another snowflake page, but this time we have it in white, but then it's got sort of red and green splatters around the outside as well. Then we've got this journaling page. Again, lots of space for writing. And something similar in a green. So again, we've got the leaves up the side, then we've got Santa down here. And again, different areas to be journaling on. Then the next page is this backing page. Another background page with again a different wreath and then a Merry Christmas envelope with a wax seal on. And then we have the ephemera pages for the mini kit. So we've got this page here. So again, lots of different elements that you may have already seen in the kit, just on a variety of different sized tags. Again, we've got the very large tags. These ones have an arch top. And then we have some pockets, again using elements we've seen from the kit. And we have another envelope. So again, I've used one of the collage pages and then some sort of tartan that looks Christmassy colours. an ephemera page. So we've got journaling cards, a banner there. We've got a nice list and a naughty list. And then another little banner here with a snowman. Then we have the last ephemera page with just some different fussy cuts. We've got that beautiful angel with the moon, and then I've added some of the poinsettias around it as well. We've got different tickets, tickets with some of the words in, some little festive letters again with some different words in, some different stars, and then just a little cluster down the bottom here. But that is all in the add-on kit that is 14 pages. So those are both of the kits. As I said, they will be in my Etsy shop. I'll put the link down below as well for Nathalie's video, so you can go and check out her flip through of her half of the kit. Just like me, she will have a main kit, an add-on kit, and then a bundle of them both together. If you buy the bundle of them both together, you get 50% off. If you buy the kits individually, then they are 20% off. For the duration of this collaboration, so that'll be right until the end of December. As usual, when we release a kit, there will also be a series of challenges going on and freebies. I have my freebies already printed. I am covering them, but I will give you a quick little sneak peek, but you can see how many freebies we have available for you. These will be on my Ko-fi shop, but they'll be released each week, so they won't be all released at once, but you can access them anytime once they are in the shop, or you can find them in the Facebook groups, but I'll explain more about the freebies and the challenges in my next video. Okay, well that's everything from me. Again, I do apologise for my voice. I hope you've been able to hear me okay. But yeah, like I said, all links will be down below if you want to go and take a look at these kits. As I say, freebies are on their way. I'll explain more and show more in the next video. Do go and check out Nathalie's video as well, so you can see her half of the kit. And yeah, I'm really excited for this collaboration. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I will see you all in the next crafty video. Bye for now.